Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. On Thursday, November 9, a NASA team conducted a low Earth orbit flight test of an inflatable decelerator or LOFTID. This test used a 6-meter diameter inflatable aerodynamic shell for reentry. When sending spacecraft where there is an atmosphere, one problem is getting heavy payloads to the surface, because existing rigid-oriented aeroshells limited by the size of the rocket's fairing. One solution is to use an inflatable aeroshell that would be much larger than the size of the rocket's fairing. Using such technology would improve the chances of successful mission to Mars, Venus and Titan. When a spacecraft enters an atmosphere, aerodynamic forces act upon it. Specifically, aerodynamic drag helps to slow it down, converting its kinetic energy into heat. Utilizing atmospheric drag is the most mass-efficient method to slow down a spacecraft. However, the atmosphere of Mars, for example, is much less dense than Earth, and to slow down a spacecraft as fast as in Earth's atmosphere, a larger diameter aeroshell must be used. The large deployable aeroshell that NASA is testing is an inflatable structure protected by a flexible heat shield. It is 6 meters in diameter when inflated and is made of layers of fabric that can withstand a descent into the atmosphere at speeds of up to 30,000 km per hour and heating up to 1600 degrees Celsius. And to demonstrate this technology, NASA launched a descent vehicle with an inflatable decelerator aboard a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket as an additional payload. The spacecraft was placed on a re-entry trajectory from low Earth orbit and began its descent, turning fully inflated before re-entering the atmosphere. According to team predictions, thanks to the decelerator, the speed of the spacecraft should have decreased from 35,000 km per hour to 850 km per hour. All data were recorded during the descent and will be analyzed shortly. Also, the shield that fell in the Pacific Ocean was delivered to a rescue vessel to further evaluate the effectiveness of the technology. This was Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.